I'm Uju. What's your name?
Good afternoon, I'm Michael.
Okay, Michael, nice to meet you.
Same here.
Okay. Which would you rather pick? 1 BTC or 1 million?
Which would I rather pick?
Yes, which would you pick?
1 BTC or
1 million?
Sharp. 1 BTC.
1 BTC, really?
No, which one is 1 million?
So trading or airdrop?
Trading or
Airdrop.
airdrop? Let's say trading. Yeah.
You shall have picked 1 BTC, so what was I expecting? Hi, what's your name?
My name is 𝗘𝗍𝗍𝗫𝗄𝗃𝗍.
Okay, Michael, I'm Uju. Which would you rather choose? 1 BTC or 1 million?
1 BTC, of course. What?
Airdrop or trading?
Airdrop, trading.
Okay.
Airdrops are, they are not sure.
Okay, they are not sure.
Yes.
Why did you choose 1 BTC?
Because 1 BTC is what, like $90,000 or something.
Are you sure?
how much is it now? Maybe
I think like 84,000.
84,000. 1 BTC.
Sadam, good afternoon. What should you rather choose? 1 BTC or 1 million?
1 BTC.
Why did you choose 1 BTC?
1 BTC is way more than 1 million.
Actually, it's like $84,000. Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Uju. What's your name?
Chelsea.
Okay, Chelsea, nice to meet you. Which would you
Nice
rather
to meet you
choose?
too.
1 BTC or 1 million?
Oh boy. 1 million.
1 million. So if I give you 1 million now, you will take it. Good afternoon, I'm Uju. What's your name?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Jerry.
Okay, Jerry, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Which would you rather choose? 1 BTC or 1 million?
Of course, 1 BTC.
Ah, you said 1 BTC.
What are you saying?
Why did you pick 1 BTC? You know the words.
I know the words now.
Okay.
Sure. 1 BTC all the way.
Okay. Airdrop or trading?
Airdrop.
Airdrop. Why did you choose airdrop?
Because airdrop is kind of free.
Okay.
So all you need to do is just to do the task or just wait some time. But trading, it requires your own money and then you can actually lost.
It's true, actually. That's true.
So airdrop is kind of free. Manuel.
Okay, Emmanuel, nice to meet you. What's your name, sir?
Henry.
Okay, Henry, nice to meet you. So, Emmanuel, which would you rather choose? 1 BTC or 1 million?
1 BTC.
Why would you choose 1 BTC, Emmanuel?
150 million.
Actually, that's true, actually. What about you, Henry?
1 BTC.
1 BTC, you too. You too. Hi, you are doing Nigeria dirty. Hi, good afternoon, Amuju. What's your name?
Good afternoon, I'm Anna.
Okay, Anna, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Which would you rather pick? 1 BTC or 1 million?
1 million.
1 million, seriously? Please come back. Airdrop or trading?
Airdrop or trading? Trading.
Trading.
Yeah.
Wow, she knows it. Thank you so much for your time, Anna. Bye.